It's always amazing to spend time with Brian Stout and talk about all things WebEx, but no better time than now when we've seen so many announcements about the amazing innovation happening on the platform, and we're answering one of the big questions, which is where is my data at? And especially for our customers in the UK, that's never been more important. So Brian, great to see you.
Likewise, sir.
Maybe you can help with sharing some context about the announcements that have been made, and very specifically from my point of view, the great things that are coming for our customers across the UK.
Yeah, absolutely, Sarah. So let me start on the simplistic piece. Right, we've just announced some new devices, video devices that are coming out. So those are effectively shipping now, which is great. So some new big room devices, which are going to really help us with those large, complex conference rooms and really simplify them. Come out with our new Desk Pro G2, which just is another great device, all with that new NVIDIA chipset, which will allow us to turn those into smart rooms, which is key and critical. Then also you've got a lot of the AI capabilities we've of course brought into the suite and the product, from the summarizations, the transcriptions, we've heard of all of that, and it's all coming to fruition, note-taking, tasks, etc. Yeah. So again, all of that AI kind of elements and pieces. But the one that you bring up, and I know you and I have been engaged on this one heavily, is the complexities, from a regulatory standpoint. You've got data residency requirements, and people want to know that my data is remaining local within specific geographies and or countries. So effectively, that's what we're doing and addressing here today, which is making sure that we saw the opportunity across all of EMEA. When you look at data sovereignty in general, right, it's a pretty big topic, and I know it comes in a number of different flavors, if you will. But the critical piece for us is around data residency, and this is where we wanted to bring those nodes into the UKI to support the UKI customer base, which is going to be really key and critical for us moving forward. We know it's a huge opportunity, and we want to bring that peace of mind to those customers as well.
Yeah. And from my perspective, it's great for us to be able to demonstrate to our customers that we are listening. As you say, data residency has been a hot topic for a long time. For us to now be able to say to our customers that whether that data is in motion or at rest, that will be managed across the UK, across various locations for resilience is really, really important. I think things like the fact that the large language models and the AI capability will also be processed at home, so things like the action generation and the summarization of meetings, the fact that all of that happens within the UK is so important. It's been critical for our public sector customers, but it's critical for enterprises as well as they start to navigate very different and complex regulatory environments. So I say for me personally, a huge thanks to all of the team that have worked so hard to bring that capability to the UK and ensure that all of our customers continue to benefit from the full suite of capability with WebEx, with that peace of mind that their data will reside in the UK.
Yeah, the really great piece and the differentiator for us is not just having that data local, but ultimately allowing a customer to consume in the way they want to consume. So it's about us bringing flexibility. It's about them controlling the data, right? It's not about us making them move to the cloud. Yeah. It's about them wanting to make that call when they want to move to the cloud. But the piece that's really differentiating for us is the ability to be in the cloud, to be on-prem, or to be hybrid. And that's what we're hearing from customers all over EMEA. We've seen that, again, with the UKI governments, but also others, around the globe that are looking for those capabilities. So, and we feel like we're in a really great place from a Cisco standpoint as being the only one who can really deliver that in the market.
Absolutely. So once again, a brilliant example of Cisco meeting customers where they are. And thanks to you and the team for all the support. Thanks, Brian.
Thanks, Sarah.